Namaste. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel, What About Nepal? Today we're going to explore the Dharhara Tower, which was destroyed for like third time during the earthquake in 2015. So it's just about open. If you come after November 1st, you should be able to enjoy it. So it's going to be spectacular. But this is a preview, so come along with us as we explore the Dharhara Tower. The Nepali spirit is tough, and the Dharahara Tower is just one demonstration of how when nature knocks Nepal down, the people only come back stronger. The third rising of the Dharahara Tower is just one example. It scored 3 for earthquakes and 4 for Nepal. You just can't keep Nepal down for long. Also known as Bhimsen Tower, it was originally made in the 1820s by Nepal's first Prime Minister, Bhimsen Thapa, and was originally used as a military lookout tower to keep the Kathmandu Valley safe from intruders. It was only after 2005 that it became a popular tourist destination. Yes, 22-story, 72-meter high. It will include a garden, a museum, and a fountain. Upon its completion, it will even have a mini exhibition theater, a mint museum, a green park, a musical fountain, a vehicle parking area, a souvenir shop, a food court, and of course other attractions as well. When will this attraction be open to the public? Hopefully by November, the general public will be able to enjoy the lovely views of the Kathmandu Valley and so many other features. We are all looking forward to being able to enjoy the tower and lovely park. The new Dharhara Tower will be enjoyable for just about anyone, and with 2 elevators, it will be really nice for people who struggle with a lot of walking or health issues. If you're here for a short time, it will make a great place to get some incredible shots of the Himalayas. If you have children of any age, you may be wondering if there will be enough things for them to do. Yes, they will have plenty of kid-friendly things to do while they're in Nepal. This is just one video in our growing Things to Do with Children playlist, so subscribe if you're brave enough to take kids on a trip to Nepal. Nepalese children are really some of the happiest children on the planet, so yes, Nepal is excellent for a family vacation. Your children will love Nepal and will always remember the friends they make and the adventures they have here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. It really does make a difference. And subscribe, follow along with us. There's likely a map at the end. So, and also some information in the description. If there's anything that I missed, I generally write a blog for it so you get more information. So check in the description for extra information. See you next time.